Good morning, people. Good morning. Good morning. We're back again for another session. Oops. My bad. Yeah, I think today we're gonna be live for a little bit. We're gonna be live for a little extra today. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, I hope everyone had a great weekend. We are back. We are back. Yeah, man, this was have the market going crazy, man. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I don't think not just the war, but the talks about it is what kind of gets it so get the market moving so crazy. So we had a major drop here from the open last night, and we're already filling it up. So that's good. I think the market gonna calm down soon, man. I think um, you could already see certain signs of it. There's a little tweets, the little stupid tweets here and there from these leaders and them, but for the most part, it's somewhat calming down. Somewhat calming down. Okay, let's do some analysis here. Let's do some analysis here. All right, so we have the previous daily high here for NQ. Previous daily high, which most likely gonna be our target. Um, and we have the current daily low, which most likely not gonna get tapped. Most likely, I really don't think. Maybe if we sweep the high, then we come below. Maybe that's a possibility. Yeah, but that's what we're looking at right now. Current daily high is right here. So once we break this, continue to the upside. Yeah, there was a little volume a while ago. I'm not sure what it was. Went like 30 points to the upside. Mhm. So for sales, um, I'm not too sure to be honest. I don't wanna like I'm not busy to take any sales. I'm not busy to take any sales. So you have this level here, right? So first pullback, first touch here would be to break up the support here to the downside. Could work, but again, I don't too like it, right? So resistance, break above, then continue to push up. Right? So this could be an area where you could take sales from. But to be honest with you, I won't be taking sales here. I'm gonna consider taking sales at the lows here. Yo,
classroom and should be in trading room.
Oh, my bad. My bad, man. Didn't notice. I honestly didn't notice. Yeah,
Yo,
people probably wondering, well, where the hell is he?
Monday.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's alright. Now you can continue. Sorry.
yeah, yeah. So what we're looking at here is potential sales at um 678, 678. I'm not sure if I'm gonna have a 25-point stop, but we'll see. My stops have been a bit dynamic instead of fixed as of late, just due to the market and making my little adjustments, right? And buys are going to be on current highs. So this is current daily high. Yeah, and we can run up to previous daily high, possibly. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Let's see how that goes. So these are our levels here for NQ. Let's take a look at YM. Mm, 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 mm. All right, so for YM here, not looking too bad. We still have a mid. It feel about half of it, half of the gap. NQ feel a lot more. Let's see what we got here. So previous daily high is up here. Current daily high is right here, and then current daily low is right here. Right? Let's because this could be potential targets, right? Okay. So yeah. Sales, however, we're looking at something like this here. Again, we have that same intermediate zone here, just like what we have on NQ, and then we have this other zone below, right? So yeah, I'm looking at the second zone here for sales potentially for YM, right? Potential sales here. And then buys at the break of the current daily highs. Yeah, anyway here. Once we need a bottom wick though. We're not gonna just be taking random breaks, yeah. So in this case here, the target could be the fill of the gap, yeah, fill in the gap in this case. All right, so yeah, that's what we're looking at. That's what we're looking at here. Kind of a potential fake out setup here, but we'll see. We'll see. Yeah, if we close bully bearish here, yeah, we'll see. NQ looks YM looks a bit better here than NQ. Let's see something here. Can I see previous day? Previous day. Hmm. Yeah, I'm leaning more towards why I'm here today, guys. I'm leaning more towards why I'm here today. Keep it simple, very simple today. So this would be if we're taking sales, break out the trend, retest, and then drop. NQ is at a higher area right now, so yeah. I'm actually thinking about putting my moving my camera here on YouTube, putting it on the top left out of the way, I think would be best. Or maybe I just make it a little smaller. Yeah, maybe I make it a little smaller. Yeah. Mhm, mm, mm. Yeah, look at that. I don't know, there's some random shots of volume just keep coming in. Not sure what it is. Hope everyone had a great weekend though. Hope everyone had a great weekend. Mm, 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 mm. I'm going a little more on this so you guys can see how does it show up here. It's good here. It's good here. Mm, mm, mm. All right, 5 minutes left. Mm.
I think we're gonna fill this gap.
Huh?
I think we're gonna fill this gap.
Yeah. Yep.
It's only like 300 point of gap, so it's not that bad. If it's 600, then it will take like 2 3 days. But
Yeah, that's a small gap here for YM. Not for YM, but for well, small gap here for YM, yes, but even smaller here for NQ. NQ almost
yeah,
filled it.
yeah.
NQ level is right here. NQ level is right here. Yeah, not interested in the sales, the early sales on NQ. Seems a bit risky.
Yeah, it is.
Mm-hmm.
Chill. That's good.
Sometime this week I'm going to get back a Top Step account, man. Top Step, man, I checked out their stuff, like the little upgrades they made. Top Step, the execution and stuff is so freaking smooth, man. It's ridiculous. Yeah, man,
You still have a Top Step account?
nah.
Oh, okay.
I mean, to me, the reason why I haven't gotten is because like um just the
Payouts.
payouts, yeah, the payouts, but I mean they have been good to me. I mean the execution on Top Step is just is different, man.
Yeah, I want to see how Alpha does it.
Yeah, I'm curious to see that as well.
They have Wise. They have
They have
what was it?
Wise Rise as well. The one I would be able to use is Rise. I'm able to,
Oh, you can use Rise. That's
yeah,
it.
yeah, I already have a Rise account already. That's what the Forex prop uses.
Mm,
Yeah, so I already have that.
Rise is good.
Yeah. Think I'm gonna need a bottom wick here. Man, what's this? Come on. Don't get antsy as yet. Come on. Wait for the open. Wait for the open. Wait for the open.
Yeah, YM looks promising.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah,
I
I
don't
think
want NQ to
124
go
is
down
good.
and then go up.
Yeah, I want either of them. This is to wick down. Wick down a bit.
At least wake down. Give me like 2 seconds to
Mm-hmm.
have execution.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
At least 30 seconds and then I'll enter.
Yeah. Give a nice wick down for a few seconds and then flip.
Mm,
That's what we would love to see here. My stop may be all the way down here if I'm being honest. Yeah, I'm gravitating towards why I'm here. If it doesn't go all the way bearish here. Or just fly. Or just fly. Yeah, 7. Good, that's times 3 my shit already. Yeah, I'm gonna have a big stop here on why. Ooh, wow, this is almost like a. Ooh, it's a big stop, man.
YM is flying.
Mm-hmm. YM has already moved 25 points. Yeah,
Mm,
need a week down. Need a week down. We're waiting for the open, guys. If NQ give a proper week down, then I may enter on NQ. We'll see. We'll see. At the moment, I have 100 point stop here roughly on YM, but let's see. Let's see. If he gives a week down, then my stop is gonna be. Ooh, no week down here. Oh, NQ froze. Hmm. Yeah.
yeah, it was mine too.
Yeah. YM was a move here, but I'm still not in. I'm gonna wait for the first minute to go. I'm not in anything. I'm not in anything. Kind of close with no top wick as well. That's dangerous. Yeah. That's on.
Mine will be a trade, but dude, this
Yeah. Gap is almost filled there too.
marker froze. On trade away too.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah,
that's rare. That's a rare one. Let's see
this
how this
leg
one
is
minute
looking
closes.
strong.
I'm gonna watch how this 1 minute. Let's see how this 1 minute closes. Oh, there we go. Bottom wick. Break up the high here. I may get in on the break of this high. Stops below this wick here. Oh, that's a dangerous flip on NQ. Holy shit.
Yeah,
That's a deadly wow. Wow. Ooh, wow. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna wait. If we get a bearish closure here on NQ, I'm gonna be in. Yeah, if I get a bearish closure here, I'm gonna be in on NQ. But at the same time, flip on YM here. I'm in on YM. I'm in on the flip here on YM. Let's see what we get here. Okay, so we close above the we fill the zone. Right, stops the break even here. Let's see what we can secure, if we can secure anything here. Push up. Ooh, out at break even here on YM. Out at break even on YM. Yeah, that was, I think that was my only chance there. Previous daily high is far, far away. Mm, Maybe we give it a second chance. Let's see how this candle closes. Maybe we give it a second chance here. Yeah, man. Thanks for the likes, man. Do appreciate it. Let's see how this closes here. 2 minutes left, 45 minutes. Still think YM is a play here.
Yeah,
NQ is looking good though.
kind of ranging at 1 minute.
Hmm. Yeah, I'm watching the five. I'm waiting for the closure on the five for NQ. Let's see what YM gives here for a closure. Mm, 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 mm. Yeah, so that trade was break even there. Wait, where is it? Where is that trade? The hell? Oh, there it is. But I still lost
And
18. I still lost 18 on that freaking shit, and my stops was at break even, you know. Fucking this fucking that's what I just like dislike with the trade C, man. Okay. All right, so a closure here on NQ could be a play. This 1 minute closure break of the high here could be a play on NQ.
yeah, I'll wait for the 5 minute to close.
Yeah,
Wait a steeper wick.
it's about to close. If it doesn't, yeah, let's see it makes a steep wick here. Yeah, break of the 1 minute high, I'm in. Break of the 1 minute high, I'm in. Stops a bit big though. Stops a bit big here for me. Okay, this is a nice wick. Also a nice wick here on YM.
Hmm.
Nice 1 minute wick here on YM. Mm. Is this a retest on YM here? I think it is. I think it's a retest. I'm in on YM. I'm in on YM. This is a retest here on YM. Let's see if we can get 1 to 1 here on Y.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Mm-hmm. Think it's a decent
Break his own high would be nice.
mm-hmm.
There you go.
Would be good. Yep. There we go. One more candle. Yeah. I'm gonna leave my stops where it's at. Or maybe close at break even here now.
It's 1 minute flip. Could be it. I think.
Yeah, it could be. I mean, NQ is heading up as well. There is a retest of the current daily high too before the open. So there is that. Yeah, guys, I appreciate the likes here, man. Okay, we're up 90 bucks. Let's see if we get a 1 to 1, guys. I mean, it's almost there already because my entry was a little late. Stops to break even here, guys. Let's see how we do here. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna close here. I'm gonna take this 20 bucks. I'm gonna take this. I don't wanna go through the shit. I'm gonna take this. It's only Monday. I'll take this. Should be okay though. Should be okay to continue moving up. Should be okay. But I'm gonna take this. I would have preferred if it pulled back like a lot more. It didn't pull back to like 50% of the range there. So that has me a little uncomfortable. So I'm out at probably about zero point 0.7. Well, there's still potential here, man. Like,
Yeah, I hit my break even and then it started going up.
yeah, there's still potential here in NQ. Not really YM, but NQ. Yeah. 1 minute left. Let's see what NQ does here. Maybe able to get a break and retest here on the 5 minute. Cause if it break and close below this level, I could take a sell. Could take a sell here. So let's see. Gonna be a small sell as well too. Mm-mm. NQ doesn't look too bad. It really doesn't look too bad. This is like could call it a fake out technically. Fake out to the upside. Break and retest here. Mm-hmm. Might have a 25-point stop here though. Give me a wick, yo. Give me a top wick. Give me a top wick, thank you. Give me a top wick. Guess not, huh? Guess not. Yeah, without that top wick here, I'm not gonna play around with this. On NQ. Need a top wick.
Hmm.
Need a top wick. Need a top wick. Yeah. There's a lot of volume in the market right now, though.
Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, I would have been out at break even here on Y. Yeah, he was a bit struggling again. That's the gap fill right there too, so gotta be mindful of that level. I would have been out at break even here. Okay, there's that top wick. If we break the lows here on NQ, gonna be in, I think here. Yeah, 15 minute will close soon. Mm, I mean, again, this is actually a good fake out setup, by the way. Actually, if we, I'll wait for this candle to close. Let's see what this candle Let's see what the candle does.
It's 5 minute.
Yeah, because like okay, so if it continue to break the low, I think it could drop. But if it closes bullish, then it would be a fake out because we're in the uptrend. And if it closes bullish, then we can get break up the high, continue upside to the upside. 'Cause remember, we haven't, unlike YM filled the gap completely now. NQ hasn't. Still a little bit left. So would it leave it and continue to drop? Let's us see. Break up the low here on NQ. I'm gonna be in though. Yeah, it already started making bullish candles on the 1 minute already. Who is this? Hello? Hey. Yeah, I think we may get that bullish move here. I think we may get that bullish move here. It's a fake breakout to the downside, it seems like. Let's wait for this candle to close. Again, watch the 1 minute candles. Slowly, 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 they keep forming bullish, closing bullish. I think we can get that play to the upside here. I wonder if it's gonna be too late if we wait 1 minute. But I'm waiting, I'm waiting, I'm waiting. I'm waiting. If I don't get it, I don't get it. I think the play here now is buys break out the high. This is our famous fake out setup here. This could be a really good one.
Yeah, I'm waiting.
Yep, this could be a
G
really
is gonna
good one.
close too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the thing is, 15 could close bearish here, but um, I don't see what it has on the higher time frame. I think I'll just focus on the 5 here and just like I'm gonna take what it gives me here. Let's see how this 1 minute closes bearish. That's not good. Not bad. Not bad of a close. We're making a bottom wick here. Break up the high. Yeah. I mean, how to break up those highs. Take 1 to 1.
Yeah, me too.
Break up those highs. I'll be in. This is not a bad trade at all, by the way. Not a bad trade at all. I mean, we didn't tap into anything else on the lower end here. This is the only thing I'm looking at. We didn't tap into come back into this like support or something here. Resistance, sorry. We sort of missed it. So yeah. Would have been nice if we had tapped into this level here. That would have been perfect. Let's see what we get here. Alright, now we get back a bullish closure here on the 1 minute. Very nice, very nice. Should continue to the upside here. Should continue to the upside here. Mm, mm. YM doesn't look too bad, but it needs a bullish 5 minute closure here. Mm, 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 mm.
IM is ranging on a 1 minute.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. It is.
Pretty hard.
It is. It is.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it's only Monday as well, so not trying to force anything. Little relax here today. No need to force anything, you know.
How many lucid accounts you have?
The same one. Same one. I didn't buy any.
Two?
I didn't buy any yet. No, one. I didn't buy
Oh,
any.
one?
The
Oh,
same one. Same one from like 2 weeks ago.
nice.
Not 2 weeks. Yeah, I think this week is 2 weeks. Yeah, this week is probably the
I
third
think
week.
on the YM break above the high is gonna be previous high is gonna be like a
Yeah, but
push.
the thing about it is it's so steep, man. That's what I'm. And it's a good move too. It's a good potential move.
Or we could just range until 10 o'clock. Do we have
Mm.
any news?
Nah, we ain't really got anything going on.
Unless Trump is like, yeah,
Bruh.
no, how we doing?
Yeah.
Come up with a bullshit.
I mean, we have a nice zone here, right? Based on the 1 minute, we have a nice little zone going here, you know, based on the 1 minute. But yeah, okay, there it is. There's the volume. There's your volume, bro. I'm in on
Yeah, on the YM.
NQ. Um, should I get it on YM though? Ooh, wow, that's dangerous. Wow. Okay, okay,
I
NQ.
didn't get it on NQ yet.
Yeah, I am. I'm in.
Nor on YM.
I'm on NQ. Seems like I'm gonna take a loss. Yeah, this will break up the highs here. Yep. Wow. Yeah, took a loss here. There's a steeper week I wanted though. Break to the downside. Yeah, at this point, yeah, yeah. If that's the case here, I'm gonna be entering the break up those lows here. That was nasty from NQ.
Yeah, legit like took you out and now it's
Yeah, I mean it's
it's climbing
still
above the
bearish,
close.
still bearish, still bearish. The close coming here, 5 minute closure coming here on YM. This is not a bad breakout here. If I take any trade, this is gonna be my final trade here. Mm, mm. So we break below the support here, close below the support, and we break this trend here. So can we continue bearish here on NQ? Even if it does, I'm not comfortable taking it here though. I'm not comfortable taking these sales here at all. So it's not a bad sell. Okay, so see that? So remember I was saying the fake out, I wanted to tap this zone here. Now this makes more sense to me. This is what I was hoping it happened, but I guess he had to take me out. I should have probably been a little more patient here.
5 minutes struggling to go down.
So it seems.
Mhm.
So it seems. So it seems. So it seems.
15, tap into, tap into 15, tap
Uh,
into.
I mean, we tap into the previous level there on the left for NQ. I may give it a second chance at buys here with only 5 minutes to close. YM, however, YM is not giving. YM is only having like a breakout setup here potentially, but I don't have a true stop loss here. I don't think I like this. I don't have a true stop loss here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
wow, wow,
Yep.
wow, 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 wow. Hmm, interesting,
It will come back up.
interesting. Yeah, YM is just a simple breakout though, but um, Anchor is a fake out setup. What would be my stop? 50 points? Anchor is not YM is not a bad trade, but yeah, let's see. Let's see what we get here. 1 minute left. 1 minute left. I'm gonna enter on NQ. I'm going to enter on NQ. We got that top of that level here. It's a big, it's a big stop, but yeah. I mean, uh, I'm gonna enter on NQ. It wouldn't be a bad trade. That's my final trade here as well. It's a good trade. Take it up to previous daily, potentially. At least fill the wick fully, fill the gap fully. So then what would happen in this instance, I'm gonna just move stops to break even once it does that. If it does that, I'll be taking buys here. Yeah, break off the highs. If it comes all the way down, I'm gonna take a buy down there. But once it breaks the high, I'm in. My final trade here, guys. Not sure how long it's gonna take to play out, but yeah, I am in. So that's my last trade here for today. Last trade for today. So let's remove the current daily high. We're already gonna go above that level. And we're gonna look at this entry here. 1 to 1 is just above the fill of the gap. Just above. Um, yeah. This is a very beautiful fake out setup. Very beautiful fake out. If it doesn't play out, it doesn't play out, but it's a good setup. It's a good setup. So I'll be looking to take like 1 hour on this trade. Could be 1.5 too, because the previous daily high is right there. So could hold it just to this level and then, yeah. YM seems like he want to go to the upside, but it's not. It's rejecting the zone here hard. It's rejecting that zone really hard. So YM did give a fake out here on the move to the downside, but there isn't a setup, if that makes sense. There is not a setup here. So yes, it faked out, but there is no setup. So it's why I didn't enter on buys. And you have a really good setup here. Really good setup. Like fake out, churn, and like support. Yeah, it's not bad. Even if it pulls back here, I may even add an entry. How confident I am in this setup right now. So yeah, let's see where we goes. Minute and minute and a half, 45-minute closure. If YM closes bullish here for that in the next 2 minutes, then you could get a nice push to the upside. Same goes for thing here though. Same goes for oh, we just tap into the resistance there, huh? So we just tap into the 15 resistance here on NQ. Alright, but yeah, we should be good. Should be good, yeah. 30 minute may close doji. It got a nice range to pull back into and everything like that. So I'm not too stressed about it. I'm gonna leave it to do its thing. Volume maybe coming in. A bit of volume maybe coming in soon as well too. So really not worried about it. Once again, thanks for joining the stream, guys. Thanks for the likes and stuff like that. Thank you. I really do appreciate it very much. Very, very much. Very, very much. Mm, 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 mm. All right. There is 10 o'clock. So terrible close here on YM. Terrible, terrible close. Insane consolidation here based on the 5 minute on YM. Terrible, terrible price action here. Terrible. So we're still here on NQ. Let's see what it does. I may end up just like based on how long this shit takes, I may just end the stream and just leave it. I don't know. Mm, 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 mm. Are you in on anything? Are you profitable? Jeremy, I guess Jeremy, you pronounce the name. Yeah, I am. Mm, mm. I've had like what was it? Last month, 18th of last month or somewhere. That was my last payout though. It's been a rough couple months. Prior to that, My previous payouts was early February. Um, but yeah, the market's been it has been rough. So payouts has been a little slow. So that's why I'm not risk. My risk is not as I used to, and I'm kind of taking a step back from my um aggressive trades. You can check my all my live streams on them on YouTube. Everything is there. So you could check and see for yourself. Do everything. Everything is online. Everything is live. Everything is recorded. Show all my payouts and everything like that. So, mm, 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 mm. Now I wanted to put that entry, but I didn't like that. I didn't like how we just blink down that side there. Didn't like that blink at all. Oh, okay, Malik. Yeah, Malik on a call there. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, we just come back into that zone. Second time and lower as well too. Yeah, second time.
Yo,
Yo yo
enter these buys.
on
I
why?
missed out. I was on a call.
Oh,
On buys on NQ.
yeah, I'm still in. I'm down. It's retesting that previous support there that it faked out from. Meanwhile, YM is like, okay, let's do this shit. What would be the stop here on YM? That's a big stop compared to not NQ. It's not bad actually. It's not bad. 10 points difference. Mm, mm. Okay, not a bad closure here on either. Um, I think YM could go up here. It's not a bad
Ryan is
closure.
ranging heavy.
Yeah, but if you look at the close is above. The close is
Yeah,
above the
above these
previous
wicks.
ones. Yeah, so if it clear those wicks, it should continue up. It should.
I don't
It,
know, these
it's
NQs.
it's tricky. Yeah, the NQ is not looking too good. But the closure was a good closure though. The closure was a good closure. It rejected the zone. So the closure is a good closure. I'm really not too worried about this trade. Like I'm looking at 1 to 1. Once it clear those highs there, I'm gonna put stops at break even and just try and let it go to 1 to 1 or 1.5. Mm, 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 mm.
Yeah, we'll see some push by 10:30, 11.
Yeah, I mean, hey, that's how the fake out trades play out sometimes too, eh? They sort of,
Mm,
they do take a little while to play out. So normally they would play out in like about what 5 candles. based on the 5 minute, about five candles or so. Yeah. But we're here. We're here. We're here. Man, I didn't see Sauce today. Neither Umar. Thanks for joining the live, guys. Really do appreciate it. Thanks for the likes. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Again, I'm just doing this for like again for my own um documentation of my journey, and at the same time, showing people, trying to be transparent about the market. That's my goal. Just to show transparency because this whole industry is fucked with all these fake gurus and all this type of shit. So I'm just again showing you the reality behind the shit, man. Like those who have been following me for since I started. Um, you've seen we've had ups, we've had downs, but we're still getting payouts. So that's the main thing. That's the main thing. Like trying to secure those payouts. And it's been rough with the war that's going on. Trump tweeting every goddamn day, saying some shit to make it more complicated than it already is. So have that to deal with. I don't know what just happened, but something. I want to believe something came out. Yep, something did come out. You see that something did come out. Holy
What come out?
shit! Positive efforts are on the way. What the hell is this shit? Positive. Oh, I know what causes that. Oh, that's the freaking Oh, for the duration of my stream will what?
Oh,
Yeah, hold on, wait. I think I know why that happened on TikTok. Yeah, sorry about that, guys. I think it's the time I put on. I put on a specific time. I think that is why it is. Yeah, this man. You see what I'm saying, guys? So Iran positively reviewing participation in peace talks, right? Um, these little things, this come out like an hour ago. These are the things that interfere with the natural flow of the market. Like today, we're not supposed to have no US news, nothing like that. And you have this sort of news coming in. So it's not easy. It's really not easy trading right now. Really not easy. It's really not easy.
I sent you something in chat,
Ah,
Discord chat.
Trump asked if Iran doing talks. I don't know. Iran is supposed to be a talk. Bro, this guy, this guy. Uh, again, you see, just as we were speaking, he spoke like that was like what 10:04. Just as we were speaking about like why the market is so hard, why it's so difficult to trade right now. This dude post some shit. Okay, there's your sales here on potential sales here. I mean, yeah, I don't even like it to be honest. I don't even like it. I don't even like it. I may be out of my position here. I think from what's going on, it's kicking in. From all that's going on, I think it's kicking in.
think it's gonna go down.
Vice President Vance has not left for Pakistan yet. Uh,
He's busy eating Pakistani food.
yeah, this is not a bad sell if anyone took this sell. This is not a bad sell, but yeah, it's unfortunate. It's unfortunate. Mm, 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 mm. I'll be done like what, $200 today, almost. I'll get it back tomorrow. But this is it. I'm not gonna close this straight early on anything. I'm just gonna leave it. Let it hit TP. How much moment could her decline of U.S. dominance? Man, man, even China is shit. Hong Kong watchdog warns of undeclared gluten in Marks and Spencer. Oh, yeah, that is not what shit. Yeah, they talk about the water too in China. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, there is a big
Oh my
flip
god.
here. Man, again, roller coaster type shit, guys. Roller coaster type shit. It's not easy, man. It's not easy. But like I said, the fake out is nice. I'm confident in it. And I wanted to add a position down here, but it gave me three opportunities to do it. But I think I'm already risking enough for the day. I already lost that trade too, so I don't really wanna. 200 is okay to lose for the day. I'm okay with that. Like a little under 200, I'm okay with that. I don't have no intention of losing more than that. So, was this a good pullback here on YM? It wasn't. That YM wasn't even 50% pullback. YM wasn't even 50% pullback. Yeah, I think that's it here for me, guys. I'm just gonna leave this straight to rock. And yeah, I think this is it for me. I gotta move. I gotta move soon too. Oh wait, shit. It's 420, yo. We're all the weed people. We're all the weed people at. It's 420.
Do you smoke weed?
Nope. Yeah, I think I'll call it here, guys. I'm gonna call it here. I'm gonna call it here. So, see you all tomorrow, right? Um, what we got going on? One company responsible for half of the. Yeah, more news just keep fucking coming out one after the other. Trump, Trump says bombs will go off if ceasefire expires.
Yeah, that's what I wanted to show you.
Ah man,
Like he's talking with the media.
yeah. He's live now.
That's where the
Is he live
not
now?
live, but he's probably
Oh,
talking to somebody in
oh,
media. Like
okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah,
PBS means like
yeah. Uh, that
he's on a channel or some shit.
this fucking guy. Anyways, man, it is what it is. I'm out, guys. See y'all tomorrow, same time, 9:10 Eastern. Ooh, let's see something. Hold on. I'll wait 5 more minutes. Ah, wait 5 more minutes. Wait 5 more minutes.
Just going down.
Yep, it is going down. It is going down. This is technically a fake out as well, by the way, on YM. How's gold doing? Didn't watch that gold. Lost a trade this morning on it. Ooh, wow. This played out. Mm, this played out lovely, huh? This played out lovely. 1 to 2, smacked, smacked. And now it pulled back again for our next push. It's actually our next push to the upside there for gold. Mm, this is actually another push here for gold to the upside. It's a very good retest here as well. Tap into previous support resistance here. Now as support. Interesting. Yeah, I may be losing this trade here.
Uh, well, I'm okay because I didn't take the trade.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, one too many for me today though. I'm not gonna lie. One too many for me today.
It was my break even on a YM,
Mm-hmm.
and I think that's it.
Yep, that's it there. It should be done like one what? 190, 200 probably. I mean, yeah, gold is still not doing anything. Wow, is that what you're doing, NQ? You're gonna reject for me? Yeah, boring stream here, guys. That's what it is. Tra Trading is boring. Trading is boring. Trading is boring. Yeah, and Q just YM just filled that range and that was it. Whoa. Okay. What the hell is going on? Man. I don't fucking know, man. I don't fucking know. Anyways, I guess it's a sign to stay out. But I'm in the trade already. I don't want to close it early, right? This I'm gonna let this play out. Most likely I might lose based on the news that's happening, but it is what it is, right? So I'm gonna call it here, guys. See you all tomorrow, yeah? Try to be here on time, 9 9:10 Eastern. I'm going to on YouTube and TikTok I will have the event pending, the live pending. So you guys can, set an alert or whatever it is. So you guys can be here early, get the analysis, the breakdown and everything, right? So see you all tomorrow. Take care.